Welcome to the SATCO NUVO Dallas showroom at Lightovation Show. Our 6,300 square foot showroom just went through a complete restoration, and we are excited to show you around. The first thing you will notice is our strong branding in the right front corner. SATCO has been known as a premier source for nearly every light bulb type and technology for 6 decades. Our NUVO decorative product line is about to celebrate our 20th anniversary, and we are thrilled that you have joined us today to take a look at our on-trend designs offered at exceptional values. As you enter the showroom, the updated space is exactly that, space. We have challenged the conventional showroom layout and design and opened the floor plan for all to see. We have nothing to hide. We have great products to show you. The initial display focuses on one product concept presented so each piece can be appreciated from all perspectives. This collection borrows technology typically used in surface-mounted fixtures and lay-in flat panels. These sculptural designs utilize light guide panels that are made of PMMA acrylic, which are non-yellowing and provide an extremely high light transmission. The formed panels are silk screened with a matrix of dots and other patterns to capture the light provided by discrete LED strips tucked into sleek bands or embedded into a backplate or holder. These designs are truly budget-friendly statement pieces. As you progress through the showroom, you will notice the next product collection features a series of integrated LED pendants and surface-mounted fixtures. These designs range from super modern rings of lights incorporated into textured metal drums to modern farmhouse circular pendants in matte black, rivets and all. Our new faux braided leather-wrapped low-profile pendants and surface mounts add a layer of design sophistication to an understated disc design. The metal emblem at the seam of the wrap elevates the design concept further. Several of our next products feature metal shades, each providing their own value based on size, scale, and design. Our first group incorporates styling cues from the mid-century aesthetic. With clean, open drums and two-tone finish, this new matte texture, gray and black, are available on a variety of items. Also shown are oversized, deep metal drum pendants, perfect for oversized kitchen islands. Take note of the complementary wall fixtures, a big part of kitchen lighting design for desk and nook areas. As we progress, you will see yet another design of metal shades. Here we have designed 2 collections which offer a peak of light, which escape either through an opening at the top of the shade and highlights the craftsmanship of the metalwork above, while the other design has a subtle gap in the slope of the shade which allow the light to sneak out. Both collections offer several finish options. Whichever design you prefer, the playfulness of the light gaps makes these designs intriguing with just enough accenting to bring a bit of attention to themselves. Here again, we are displaying coordinated, adjustable wall fixtures. Our next feature brings your attention to the brushed brass Cordello collection. Here we have brought together a mid-century satin white glass design with an industrial-styled central hub where each arm extends from. The design of the industrial hub creates an elongated shape for the 6 light stem mounted fixture. The elongated shape is perfect for kitchen island and rectangular dining tables. A 4-light smaller chandelier is available for use over a kitchen dinette table, or as 2 smaller chandeliers over a large island. A 2-light wall sconce completes the collection. Another new glass series finished in brushed brass is the Brookside collection. Here, the inspiration is derived from a pot rack. The design is clean and understated, while leaning a little more to the traditional without going too far. Once again, the Brookside 6-light chandelier work well over a kitchen island or dining table. A 4-light chandelier and 1-light wall sconce are also available. Both collections are displayed with VZ shaded wall sconces, which offer neutral style and work well with many of our designs. Always popular are our bell cap and light cap sleek mid-century inspired pendants in 2 shapes and 3 finishes: matte white, brushed brass, and matte black. Each pendant features white enamel painted interiors for high light reflectance and 12 feet of cord, especially handy for lofty ceilings. Alongside is our Dover collection. Dover definitely has origins from the days of early electric lighting fixtures. as exhibited by the detail of its castings and flat brushed brass plates above each metal or glass shade. The collection provides several options to tie a room together: 2 pendant sizes, a mini pendant, flush mount, and a wall sconce. Wall sconces are a wonderful addition to a dining room and can also be used bedside and as reading lamps. Our journey now brings us to an eclectic grouping of styles that work well together. From the ceiling, we see on the left the halter collection. Halter is a 3-panel pendant offered in off-white linen fabric in a matte black or brushed brass finish. Another halter option is our brushed brass metal panel design with matte black accent finishing. Adjacent to halter, we are featuring Flynn. A more contemporary approach has been established for the Flynn design. The slightly tapered off-white linen fabric shade is supported by matte black metal strapping that follows the line of the support stem and then wraps around the shade in sharp angles and returns up in the interior of the shades. The final design in this grouping is the Zelda trio. Zelda's metal sponge shade has an almost mechanical-looking purpose to its design. Subtle steps and curves in the shade remind us of an early industrial work light. Each shade is supported by black, faux leather straps. Shades are offered in white, gray, and black finishes. Here, too, we have paired our Olmsted and Thompson fabric shades, wall sconces, as companion pieces. As we pull back and pan across the showroom, in the foreground, you will see more metal and fabric pendant styles. Our Brewster pendant is available in off-white fabric with faux leather strapping, or in white metal with black metal straps. In front of Brewster is Livingston, featured in matte textured gray or black with an off-white linen shade. Directly in front of Livingston is the Lansing family, which features playful metal work in matte black with off-white linen fabric shades or satin white glass. Lansing is available in the following configurations: pendant and mini pendant, flush mount, wall sconce, semi-flush, as well as a complete outdoor collection. Our next section is comprised of a series of fixtures that feature clear glassware. The Axis and Sky collections are retro designs from the early 1970s mod era, while the Amato collection's clear globes sit in a metal band suspended in tapered arms provides a more laid-back, relaxed interpretation of this design period. From this perspective, we see an abbreviated presentation of our flush or close-to-ceiling decorative products. Each design has been conceived to stand on their own design merits or to easily work with our collection in the NUVO product line. Our elongated wall sconce collection, offered in metal shades, crackle glass, and satin white glass, are perfect on either side of a dining room buffet. Here are 2 more designs that have an early 1970s heritage. On the left, ribbed glass holders accent Clarksville's strong, clean lines. The matte black finish is the perfect backdrop for the crystal clear glass shades. This complete collection is perfect for project lighting due to its understated elegance and value. To the right of Clarksville, we are featuring the Marlowe collection. Marlowe is truly all about the 1970s vibe. Gleaming, polished nickel with cylindrical glass shades that can be positioned horizontally or vertically and embody the essential style of the 70s. The Tribeca and Highline wall sconces are offered in polished nickel, matte black, and brushed brass, each with an off-white linen fabric shade. These styles complete our shaded wall sconce collection, which includes the Thompson, Olmsted, and VZ designs. Moving ahead, we find ourselves in front of an assortment of clear glass pendants with industrial DNA. Heavy knurled castings on the support arms of the Marina and Teresa collections in the right foreground bridge, classic glass shade designs, with an emphasis on metalwork details, a strong complement to kitchen hardware design trends. The extremely clean design of the Bruges Pendant Center over-delivers on its promise to be present in a space, but not to draw attention to itself. The beautiful metal frame and heavy glass shade provide a high-quality appearance without overstating its purpose. To the left, we see Bolivar. This design is a modern interpretation of 1940s-era glass foyer lanterns. Bolivar's deeply drawn seated glass bulbous shade is the star attraction. Accented by metalwork in options of brushed nickel, matte black, and brushed brass, each supplied with a cluster of candelabra sockets, which adds to the bygone-era design. In this display, we present our most recent introductions that are influenced by the farmhouse style. On your left is Russell. The Russell collection delivers the ultimate in a super clean design that has just enough detail to state where it belongs. Inspired by old wagon wheel lighting fixtures, Russell body is similar to the wheel in concept, but that is where it ends. The glass holders elegantly perch themselves at 6 points through the wheel and gradually taper up the neck of the satin white glass shade. 2 pendant sizes are available, along with 1, 2, 3 light bath vanity fixtures. The semi-flush is a unique, updated schoolhouse look, perfect for above the kitchen sink or hallway. Adjacent to the Russell collection is Warren. Here we find a different interpretation of farmhouse design. With Warren, it is all about the holder. The setback design of the glass holder set the tone as casual and comfortable, that is, farmhouse. Add our new gunmetal finish and satin white glassware, and you have a tasteful design that delivers a little something extra. Take note of the inverted semi-flush design, as well as the curved arms of the bath vanity fixtures. Certain projects for retail, restaurants, and other applications require pendant lighting that is ultra sleek, with a low-profile design that does not obstruct one's view. Corinne was designed with this in mind. The metal shade's extreme slope is possible due to the LED integrated light source, which happens to be color selectable with options of 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K. The LED light source is concealed by a white acrylic dome diffuser for even illumination, and the interior of all shades is an enameled gray paint for a soft, glare-free appearance. All pendant fixtures include 12 feet of gray braided rayon wire. A matching wall sconce is also available. On the left side, the European-influenced Edmond collection combines a classic A-line transparent glass shade with a 3-light LED cluster with an additional center downlight. 2 pendant sizes and 2 semi-flush sizes are available in polished nickel and matte black. This design is another example of scale, but not an invasion of visual space. As we move into the other areas of our showroom, we pass by 2 extraordinarily successful product collections, specially developed for the home builder, multifamily housing markets. The Somerset and Bransell families each offer their independent value. Somerset is a more contemporary design which features floating clear glass shades, flat arms, and straight lines, while Bransell leans a bit to the traditional side with its seated, glass round tubular arms and finial end caps. Both collections are available in chandelier, island, bath vanity, pendant, flush, semi-flush versions in black and brushed nickel finishes. This area of our showroom is focused on our technology. As we move through the space, I will point out the broad offering of items on display. Starfish is our Wi-Fi smart product line, which is one of the most extensive in the industry. Starfish products include light bulbs, recessed lighting, string lights, tape lighting kits, security floodlight cameras, video doorbells, and indoor and outdoor cameras. Our smart products are compatible with Alexa, Google Home, Siri, and SmartThings. Visit satcostarfish.com to see new products being added all the time. SATCO's commercial LED lamp line offers innovation and convenience. Color and lumen selectable products, emergency lighting options, sign and adjustable PL replacement lamps are just a few of our recent introductions. Recess, retrofit, and remote driver downlights in multiple configurations are available with CCT and Lumen Select. These are just a few of the latest items on display. A new assortment of CCT selectable A-type, BR, and PAR lamps are great additions to the product offering, as well as our PIR motion sensing and battery backup lamps. Commercial HID replacements, all-glass high-lumen filament style, and mogul-based lamp types have all been updated with new features such as field selectable and reduced sizes. Celebrating its 10th year, our Blink product received a complete redesign and upgrade. Built as the premium product in its class, Blink features die-cast housings, high-spec drivers, EM options, and a large variety of sizes and finishes. When it comes to track lighting, this 60-year-old product category has experienced an amazing resurgence due to the introduction of cost-effective, high-performance LED solutions in smaller sizes. SATCO NUVO offers a wide selection of designs, shapes, finishes, and beam angles, along with a complete track and accessory program. Many of our popular designs are available in kit form as well. From lighting a path to lighting a parking lot, our extensive product offering in flood and area lights incorporates field-selectable features such as power and CCT selectable and bypassable integrated photocells. Beyond floodlights, the program includes motion-sensing security fixtures, wall packs, and canopy fixtures, all with many built-in customizable features. For warehouse, workshop, parking garage applications, SATCO NUVO offers a deep program in all product types. Integrated and external occupancy sensors, bi-level dimming, programmable sensor, and emergency battery backup options are all available. Utility fixtures from disc type to cloud style in many sizes are available. CCT Select and occupancy sensing are available option in most product styles. We now move on to our outdoor section. Featured on display are our designs from our contemporary collections. Each design is guided by the requirements of clean lines, simplistic forms, and to provide a functional purpose. Many fixtures feature an integrated LED light source, while others maintain standard socketing for lamps. Please visit satco.com to see our entire outdoor portfolio. Presented here is a small sampling of our LED bath vanity collections. Besides outstanding designs, what these products share, along with all of our LED integrated decorative fixtures, is a common light source. SATCO has developed its own LED light engine, which meets stringent code requirements for efficiency, flicker, and dimming, and uses this light source in all our decorative LED products. Besides reliability, the benefit is color and performance consistency across all product designs. Across the ceiling, you will notice a variety of LED low-profile surface-mounted fixtures, LED slim pendants, ceramic pendants, and flush mounts, etc. Our final stop is at our mid-century retro wall sconces and pendants. Here's another example of timeless design done tastefully. As with any of our products, we are driven to provide the best in design, value, and quality. We thank you for taking this tour with us today, and we look forward in presenting more designs and technologies to you in the future.